Application of integrals, that is chapter 7 of class 12 mathematics. Area under simple curves can be obtained by using application of integrals, that is definite integrals. So the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to fx comma x axis and the line x equal to a and x equal to b, b greater than a is given by capital A equal to integral small a to b y dx or integral a to b fx dx. That is the area bounded by y equal to x square x axis in first quadrant and the line x equal to and x equal to 3 is written as a equal to integral 2 to 3 y dx equal to integral 2 to 3 x square dx equal to x cube by 3 whole 2 to 3 equal to 1 by 3 whole upon 27 minus 8 equal to 19 by 3 square units. So converse that the area of the region bounded by the curve x equal to fy y axis and the line y equal to c and y equal to d, d greater than c is given by capital A equal to integral c to d x dy or integral c to d fy dy. So the area bounded by x equal to y cube y axis in the first quadrant and the line y equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is calculated by the formula integral a to b x dy or integral 1 to 2 y cube dy or y fourth by 4 interval 1 to 2 1 by 4 2 fourth minus 1 fourth equal to 15 by 4 square units. And if the curve under consideration lies below x axis, then fx is less than 0 from x equal to a to x equal to b. The area bounded by the curve y equal to fx and the ordinates x equal to a, x equal to b and x axis is negative is written in this form capital A equal to modulus of integral a to b fx dx. Okay, so this is all about chapter 8 application of integrals.